Recording the sewer line here at 6406 225th Place Southwest. Date is March 6, 2021. Making this recording from the newly installed cleanout just outside of the home, in the front to the south of the door. I'm going to pull back from the city main here. We're looking at the Mountlake Terrace city main about 92 feet down the line. We're going to pull back from here and get a look at this sewer line. So coming back in a 6-inch diameter concrete sewer pipe. This should be out under the road, coming back towards the sidewalk. Come around a turn here and back into 4-inch diameter line. So we've come back onto the property now. We're on the property side, somewhere, I don't know, driveway, grass area. Got a minor root intrusion there on the left side of the pipe. Got another turn there. A little worm coming through the pipe there. Coming back with a straight section, getting close to the clean out here. There's a root on the left hand side of the pipe coming in there. Coming back up into the plastic now, this newly installed clean out. So here's the clean out, and then coming up out of the new access point, and that's the line. End of the video.